Good day guys, you're welcome to Browsingtechzone YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you real quick how to make free PayPal cash online. So this application that I'm going to be showing you right in this video has been confirmed paying, and I'm going to be showing you live withdrawal proof in this video. Everything you need to know about the application, how to do tasks on the application, how to accumulate cash and withdraw directly to your PayPal. So right now, if you want to watch this video, the only thing you need to have is your PayPal account. So you have to have a functioning PayPal account before you can be able to watch this video. So this video is not country restrictions, so it doesn't have any country restriction or any issue relating to country. Wherever you are watching this video from, you will be able to register on this application and perform tasks and make money and withdraw it directly to your PayPal account. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do that right now so that you will be able to get notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you. Okay, you're welcome back. As you can see on my screen right here, I'm on Play Store right now. So the Mydailycash app that I'm going to be revealing today, it's not available on iOS store. So if you're using an iPhone, I'm very sorry, you won't be able to participate in this program. So you won't be able to use this application. It's only available for Android users. But if you're having iPhone and you have a separate Android device, or you have someone that can assist you with your Android device, then you can watch this video and use someone else's Android phone to complete your task and start making money on the application. So right now, if you're having your Android phone with you, all you have to do to get registered on the application is to go to Play Store and search for Mydailycash. I will drop the direct registration link for you in the description section of this video so that you'll be able to click on the link and be redirected to the Play Store directly. But if you can still open your Play Store directly, just open your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, you'll be taken to this an application page. Then you search for Mydailycash. Once you search for Mydailycash, this is the application that you're going to be downloading. So you've seen the logo of the application right now. So that's all. So the downloading process is complete already. So all I have to do is to open the application. So I will be opening the application right here. So you wait for this button to come up. This button will come up. Can you see next? So once you get here, you wait for another seconds, maybe 3 seconds. The next button will appear again. It will remain one more time. Then so can you see next button, and you will be redirected to this page. So on getting to this page, all you have to do is to tick all these boxes. Once you tick all these boxes, then you enter your phone number here, your phone number. So I will enter my phone number here. What's happening? So that's my phone number. Then you will see a space provided for referral code. This is your bonus code. Make sure you enter the correct referral code so that you'll be able to get your registration bonus. So you're going to be entering 782697. So that's the correct referral code, 782697. So once you've done entering the code, all you have to do is to click on receive bonus now. Once you click on the receive bonus now, you will see this notification. All you have to do is to wait for the preparation to complete. So once the preparation process completes, they will send a code to your phone, the phone number that you've entered in the registration. So a code will be sent to the phone number. Then you check the code. We're waiting for the code to arrive. Okay, this is the code right now. This is 177. Okay, it has been verified automatically. So this is because the SIM card that I'm using, the SIM card I used to register on the application is on my phone. So that is the reason why it has been verified automatically. So if you're using separate phone, maybe you're having another phone, the SIM card that you use is in another phone, then you're going to check the code and enter it manually. So that's there about that. So right now we've been taken to the application and we have complete the registration process straight away. So right now, all I have to do right here is to go to the home page. I'm supposed to receive 50 credits as a registration bonus, but it's not coming up. maybe it will come up later. So just make sure when you're registering, make sure you apply the referral code correctly. So once you apply the code correctly, then you're going to get your bonus. It's 50 credits and it's equivalent to $0.50. So after which you've completed your registration, then you can now start performing the task. So right now there is no much task on my dashboard right now, but you can see this deal right here. Go to the this is Top Messenger. You will be able to get 30 credits on a daily basis once you download this Top Messenger. So all you have to do right here is to click on Go to Deal. Once you click on Go to Deal, you will be redirected to the to Google Play Store. So on getting to Google Play Store, you will be told to download an application. Can you see Google Play Store is loading already? So this is the application. This is Top Messenger. So I will install the application. So once I install the application, look at this notification. This is because I'm using a screen recorder, so I'm unable to download the application right now. So but let me explain the whole process to you real quick. So once you install this messenger right now, you'll be told to make it default messenger on your phone. So whichever message you want to receive, you won't be using your previous messenger application to receive any message again. You'll be using this messenger app to receive all your messages. So that is the process. So once you click on this install button now and you're able to install it, then you're going to open the application. You will see some prompts that you can follow. So once you follow the prompt, you'll be able to connect to your messenger, and then you'll be able to be claiming those bonuses on a daily basis. So immediately you connect it, you'll be redirected back to your Mydailycash application, and from there you'll be able to be getting when I show you my real account right here, I will show you some things. Instead of this Go to Deal, once you've done connecting the Top Messenger to your account, then you'll be able to be getting 30 credits reward on a daily basis. So this is Go to Deal. Once you click on Go to Deal, then you will be able to connect it as I've explained. So once you connect it, then you'll be getting 30 credits on a daily basis. So that is that about that. Also, another way to make money on the platform is to share the app and get 20 credits per referral. So once you click on this this icon right here, let's click on it. Can you see? So you will be able to see some social platform that you can share the message to, WhatsApp and etc like that. So you can copy it to your clipboard as seen here, etc like that. So once you send it to someone, then you're going to be able to, let's say I want to send it to WhatsApp right now. Let me select WhatsApp so that I can show you some things. Okay, so this is WhatsApp. This is how to copy your referral code. So on getting to WhatsApp, you will, can you see? So on getting to WhatsApp, let's say I select this space, and can you see? So once you send this is your referral code here. This is the referral code. This is the code that you'll be sending to each and everyone you want to refer to the platform. And immediately they apply the code and complete their registration, they will get 50 credits and you get 20 credits. So that is there about that. That's those ways that you can accumulate money on the platform. You perform tasks. There are some tasks on daily basis. All these tasks, as time goes on, they will appear. So that is that about that. So right now I've shown you how to make money, how to install the application and make money on the application. So right now I'm going to show you the withdrawal proof. So that's the okay. So before I navigate to the real account and show you withdrawal proof, let me use this account to explain the withdrawal process to you. So if you want to withdraw on the application, all you have to do is to connect your PayPal account. As I've said at the beginning of this video, you need a valid PayPal account. So all you have to do is to connect your PayPal account to this to your account. So if you want to connect the PayPal account to your Mydailycash account, so all you have to do is to click on this setting icon. Once you click on the setting icon, you will see PayPal account. So once you see PayPal account, then all you have to do is to add the new PayPal. Let's say I'm using Browsingtechzone at gmail.com. Then I will type it, I will paste it here. You can type it manually so as to avoid mistakes. So you can add it, you can do it manually. Then I'll paste it, then I'll click on update. So once I click on update, the PayPal email will be updated. Can you see this update successfully? Once you click this again, you will see your email. The email you bind, you will see it here. Can you see it here right now? So that is that about that. So now that you've bind your PayPal account with the application, you're now free to process your withdrawal. So let's navigate to the withdrawal proof, and I'm show you everything so that I can be able to conclude this video and end it right away. So you're welcome. So this is my real account right here. So as you can see this button here, you can see the top messenger. So this countdown is counting down to the next, because this you will get the 30 credit bonus with the interval of 24 hours. So I've claimed one in the previous 24 hours, so I have to wait for another 24 hours before I can claim another one. So that's why you are seeing this countdown. So instead of showing go to deal, this is the next day withdrawal, so I will just be able to claim it directly. So that is that about that. So concerning the withdrawal that I want to show you, when you want to withdraw on the platform, you must have minimum of 1000 credits before you will be able to withdraw, and that 1000 credit is equivalent to equivalent to $10. As you can see here, as you can see right here, I'm having 920 credit, which is $9.20. So immediately I have 1000 credits, so I will be able to withdraw directly to my PayPal account. So this is my previous withdrawal. This is my previous withdrawal. Can you see it here? So let me scroll down. Okay, so this is the previous withdrawal. Can you see it here? So this is the previous withdrawal. This is previous withdrawal. So right now, if I want to, let's say I want to check the notification, so I will just click on view. So once I click on view, this is the detail. Can you see it here? So this is the details of withdrawal. So let me navigate to my email and show you the notification from PayPal. Can you see? So this is the withdrawal, $21 from WinGlory International Limited. So the app is owned by WinGlory International Limited, and this is the withdrawal proof right here. So this is the PayPal withdrawal. And if you want to withdraw on the platform, so immediately you bind your PayPal account with the application. All you have to do is to click on this payout. Once you click on payout, then you click on get money. Once you click on get money, can you see unable to withdraw? Please try again later. This is because I'm not having up to 1000 credits on my balance. So if I have 1000 credits to my balance, it will be sent directly. It will be sent immediately, and within 12 hours, I will be able to receive the payout in my PayPal account. Like the one that I received by 9 a.m. today. This is 9 a.m. today. I withdrawn it. Let's say I withdrawn it around 11 p.m. yesterday. So I withdraw it at night. So and in this morning I've received the notification already, and the withdrawal has completed. So that's there about Mydailycash. If you're having any question about the application, just drop it in the comment section of this video, and I will be able to provide the appropriate response for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and do have a wonderful day.